Hey guys, welcome back to Versatile Knowledge, and in today's video I'll be doing the unboxing and I'll be setting up the acoustic foam for my studio. This is the first time I'm actually setting up any sort of soundproofing for my studio. This is my new studio. You would have seen in the last couple of videos I've been doing videos here itself, and there was a lot of echo that you might have seen in the last couple of videos also, and also in this video there is a lot of echo that I'm able to see and hear, and hence I wanted to install acoustic foam for some sort of soundproofing for this studio. If this works out successfully, I'll try to buy more of such acoustic squares and install throughout the room so that all the echo that is coming in the videos will be prevented. So let's go ahead and unbox this and set up this acoustic foam in the studio in the angles that I wanted to be installed. So let's get started.
So guys, this is the box package of the acoustic foam, and it is made by a brand called MMT Acoustix. It has excellent rating on Amazon, and the product is available for a rate of around 2,500 to 2,700 rupees. The purchase link is present in the description. This product is called MMT Acoustix New Soundproofing Pyramid Plus Acoustic Foam Panel. The color is actually called Pro Charcoal. I wanted a black color one. There are multiple other colors also that is available for the similar product on Amazon. This package of the acoustic foam is having 18 pieces inside it. That is enough for a small room or small YouTube studio. So guys, as per what the brand says, this specific foam is actually used by multiple YouTubers like Mumbaikar Nikhil, Yashraj Mukhate, Emive Bantai, Carrie Minati, etc. So they have quite a good following for use of this specific product. So I'll quickly go ahead and unbox this product, guys. This is actually made for sound absorption and echo reduction. This is actually 1 feet cross 1 feet squares, and it is actually 2 inches in thickness. It is made up of very soft material, and it is helpful for improving the audio clarity, reduction of reverberation in recording studios. This product is completely free of chemicals, toxin and odor, and this acoustic foam is actually made up of acoustic polyurethane open cell technology. So it feels very soft, and it is even more efficient in reducing the echo and absorption of sound in your studios. Now let me go ahead and show you the process that I followed before installing this acoustic foam on my walls.
And this is the wall in front of which the microphone will be kept, guys. This is the place behind me which I have actually installed a curtain. I've already done a video of this curtain also. This is actually a backdrop that I have put in the studio, and I'll be installing some of the acoustic foams behind this curtain, and some of the acoustic foams will be installed on the opposite side of this wall. Actually, it is recommended to install on these walls as well, but I don't have that much amount of foams. I have only 18 foams available, so I'll be dividing it between 10 and 8 pieces on the other side.
Guys, another very important thing that is needed in the installation of acoustic foam is this acoustic spray. I have bought this Fevicol Easy Spray from my local hardware store, which cost me around 500 rupees. You can buy it from online as well. You have to actually use this spray behind the acoustic foam in even levels. And also you will need this 3M double-sided tape for longer and even sturdier protection on the walls. You will have to spray the acoustic foam in even levels, as I said, behind each of the acoustic foam, and you will have to check for the placement or the arrangement of the acoustic foam on your walls. So this is the specific arrangement that I wanted on one of the walls, and on the other wall I wanted a square type of arrangement. Depending upon your requirement, you can install in the different patterns or different shapes. There is no specific ideal shape for better sound protection or something. Since I'm using 10 squares on one side and 8 squares on another side, whatever was the possible shape that I could create, I'm just creating that specific shape on one of my walls. After placing the foam on the wall, use your hand strength and push it for better attachment on the wall. Once it is perfectly sealed on the wall, it looks nice and clean and will stay there forever until you remove it yourself. Now I will go ahead and install the foam on the other side of the room or the opposite wall which I intend to install the foam on. It is recommended to install the foam on multiple surfaces of your room for maximum soundproofing. If you are into professional sound recording or something, you will need to install the foam throughout the room on multiple surfaces, as well as you will have to use some kind of soundproofing for your floor as well.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't
Hey guys, another important thing is regarding the placement of the acoustic foam itself that I remembered during the recording of the voiceover for this video. If you're sitting here, the acoustic foam has to be placed at proper angles for perfect soundproofing. For example, if you are sitting in this place, your camera is facing you like this, then the acoustic foam has to be present behind the camera or the recording equipment, and the acoustic foam has to be also present behind you where you are sitting. Or even better soundproofing, what is recommended is you will also have to buy another set of foam, and you will have to place the foam at diagonal angles. So it has to be placed somewhere there, and also it has to be placed somewhere here. What happens is, when you are speaking in front of the camera, your camera is present here, the sound reflections are actually absorbed by all these foams which is present at different angles. With this, the sound absorption and soundproofing that comes in your videos will get enhanced. And for even better soundproofing, what is recommended is the floor that you are present has to have some sort of carpet or some sort of soft material which absorbs the sound that reflects to the bottom portion of your floor or the bottom portion of your studio.
So guys, this is how the acoustic foam looks after finally installing on both sides of my room. This is one of the sides where I have installed the acoustic foam in the square shape. The patterns and shapes that you want depends on your preferences. As I said, there is no ideal shape for best soundproofing or something. And you will need that acoustic spray that I mentioned in this video. MMT also offers their own branded acoustic spray, which is kind of expensive in my opinion. So I visited the local hardware shop and bought acoustic spray for around 500-600 rupees. And after the entire setup is complete and I have installed LED lights which faces me and I'm sitting behind a black curtain, this is how the entire studio looks like. This is actually a very budget or a very basic YouTube studio setup, guys. I will do a complete studio tour when everything is ready. But as of now, this is the acoustic foam for soundproofing and the sound absorption or the noise absorption. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and amazing content like this one. Thank you for watching, guys.